Hey everyone, welcome back to this live series. I'm Aruna Suresh and I am super excited to be part of this series. I'm so excited to have you here for day one of our Canva for Beginners live series. This is number one. Whether you're a teacher, student, business owner, or someone who just want to design with ease and who doesn't have any knowledge about designing, you don't have to be a tech savvy, you don't have to be a designer, you don't have to be a graphic designer. You just have to attend this class, and this series is exactly for you. So I'm planning to have some sessions on this Canva series from zero to become a hero of Canva. So it is actually going to be a very step by step, and today's agenda is to we'll cover the basics of how to log into Canva, and we'll also do some basic tour of the dashboard, and also we'll be creating our first design and a sneak peek into the templates and elements and the basic things which are required for you to understand what is Canva is all about. So first and foremost thing what we need to do is go to Google, type in Canva and click the first link. When you don't have an account, the first thing Canva will ask you to do is just sign in. So how to do that? You can sign in with your Google account, you can sign in with your Facebook account, Apple ID, or you can provide an email and password. This is a basic thing. I would always suggest you to sign in with your Google account, as it is very it gives you a very quick access across all the devices. So after signing in, the screen is actually, I have already signed up, so I have not shown you that. It is very simple. As usually you will sign into any site, you have to just click the Gmail account with which you are going to sign in. It will ask you to continue, and just continue, and you are all set to enter into Canva. So the first thing you will see is this is the interface of Canva. Now it is asking you what should we create. So let me go to the screen and I'll just take you throughout this dashboard. Now you may ask, like, what is Canva used for? You just ask me the question, what Canva cannot do it. That will be easy for me to explain rather than telling you what Canva can do it. See, you can see here Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, worksheets, all document related things, and whiteboards. You can create presentations, you can create all social media posts, Facebook post, whether it is an Instagram post or a video or a story, or you can create reels, anything. And all your photos can be edited using Canva in a wonderful manner. And then you can create all sorts of videos and printables. What do I mean by printables? Printables are actually nothing but your flyers, brochures, resumes, all those things are printables. You can create a website, whatnot. And then you have an option to do custom size. That means you all know that in case if you want to create an Instagram post, you need a different size canvas. If you want to create a thumbnail of YouTube, you need to have a different canvas. So like as and what is your requirement, accordingly you can use the size. And then you have this, what do you call, upload. What is upload? Upload is nothing but, in case into the design, if you want to add some photographs, for example your own photograph, you can upload it from here. We'll be seeing everything one by one, and then we can see what is it all about more. Now whichever I said right now, I'm going to show you one by one what is it all about, right? The first is when it is asked us what do you need to create. Let us see from sheets. When you click sheets, see, it is having n number of templates for Excel sheets. Any kind of sheet, any design you want to choose it, you can choose and modify according to your needs. So this is all about sheets. The best part of Canva is you can get everything as a ready-made template, but sometimes we are not happy or satisfied with the ready-made templates. So in that case you can start from scratch also. So what I mean to say is, if you want to go in a easy peasy way, just choose a template, modify here and there, add some design, change some colors, and make it a customized template. Rather, if you want to create your own template, that is also possible by using a blank sheet, and then you can make your own modifications. Now the next one, documents. When you click on documents, you can see here what are the documents available. See, one pager, it is a email letterhead, lesson plan document template is there, brand guide, like business templates are there, calendar templates are there, fitness planning is there, to-do list is there, project proposal is there, field trip permission slip is there. You name it and you get it here. Everything. The thing is, the more you explore, the more you become, confused, and also the more you will get options to go with. The next one, let us check about whiteboards. Now here it is again, whiteboards you have brainstorming whiteboards, flow chart whiteboard, you have team whiteboards, and you have planning whiteboard. See, below you have the ready-made templates. As I said before, it's again as you wish. You can use a ready-made or you can start from scratch. Here it is, storyboard is here, vision board is here. Vision board nowadays it's very, very popular amongst youngsters. Like if you want to create a vision board, just take this template, replace the photos with your own photos, and the content or the text also can be modified as per your taste. So here we go. Now the next part is, like every official person knows the importance of presentation. Like guys, every office at some point of time they want you to create a presentation, and here you have ready-made again templates. You can create your portfolio using this, company profile using this, school presentations, classroom orientation. If you're a teacher, then it is of more helpful to you, because sometimes you get ready-made content also. Now you can see here the types of presentation. You have the 16:9 ratio presentation, you have the mobile presentation size, you have different kind of brainstorm presentation, games presentation, whatever you want, whichever way you want, you can choose it, modify, and here you go with your own presentation. Now let us go what is in store for us in social media. So click on social media. Here you can see Instagram post, Facebook post. You can see the canvas also, it is differing from one another. Instagram is a different size, Facebook post is a different size, and story is a different, and then WhatsApp status is something different. You have all these things. Facebook cover is there, Instagram reel is there. And in case if you're a very active person on social media, then this is, I would say, a gift for you. Now you can see here WhatsApp. So what, good morning status, good night WhatsApp, all those things, ready-made templates are available. Happy birthday, photographs, anniversary, coming soon, debate information, all these things are there. You need to change the photograph and you can go for it. Let us see what is there in Instagram. Instagram post, Instagram story, Instagram advertisement, and also reel. Similar way we have Facebook. Again, Facebook post, landscape is also there. And in case Facebook cover you want to design, it is there. Facebook ad is there. Facebook event cover is there. You can see the templates, how colorful, how innovative and also creative. So the easiest way is pick a template and go for it. But then to learn Canva, you need to understand what are all elements, all those things. Let us see the next option, which is the photo editor. See here, you can select a photograph. You can generate a background. For example, if your background is something messy, you can use a beach background using Canva. And in case if you want to remove the background, you can remove it using background remover. You have perspective connection, magic eraser. Like we all will be learning about all these things in detail, but right now you need to know what is it. Like in case in a picture, for example, in the first thumbnail, if you don't want this lady's face, you can always go and erase it. Only erase the face of the lady and you'll get the picture, right? And then you can go for cropping. Like if it is a picture where you don't want something, you can just cut it and do it. And the next one is a magic one, grab text. What is grab text? See, simple as that. You have a image with text and photograph. Now you want to, many times we want the content is very useful, and you think that I need only to copy this content from the image. Generally it is not possible. Why? Because we need to, otherwise from the image we need to type the text and then go ahead with that. But here what you can do is you can just select the text and you can just pull out the text only from the image. This is really very helpful tool for all of us, because many times we want a quote from an image or a detail from a prospectus or brochure, that you can do it very easily. Now magic grab, again, only a part of an image can be grabbed and moved. That is also possible. And blur option, sometimes some of the part you don't want to show it, so you can just go and blur it. I will again tell you, in this series all these things will be addressed clearly, and with examples also we will be doing it. Okay, so let us next come to the dashboard, that is videos. Now see here, videos also have different canvas, that is landscape videos are there, like portrait is there, mobile video is there, Facebook video is there, Instagram reels are there. So again, in case Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video, landscape video and video ad, all those things are there. Then video collages also, this is very important, where you can merge 2 to 3 videos and then make it a video collage. We have been hearing about image collage, right? Now you'll also learn about video collage. Now you have this Pinterest video format is different. Then video message, you can send it to somebody, that can be done. And then your slideshow can be converted to a video. Now you can see here all the above said things, the templates are available. The wonderful part is the template. So the similar way which I said from the beginning, go easy with the template or learn hard with, like learning the concept of Canva, how to use all those tools and all those things available and become a designer. Now let us explore printable. See, worksheet is printable, resume is printable, business cards. You don't have to go and wait for a printer to give you a design for your visiting cards. You can create your own business card and then postcard landscape, and then we have many more. Let us see. And poster, gift certificates, gift tag, and also you can create your own certificates here, right? Like you can see the templates available. Yes. So here it is. This is a preschool certificate, that is saying handwriting practice. So all these things can be done. And if you're literally a teacher, then this you should not leave it. You have to learn it because it is going to help you in every step of your career. Now, marketing templates you have, that is business card, postcard, portrait poster, then gifts, gift templates available. Stationery you have, like I told you, the certificates can be created. Now many of us who are involved in a school or in an office where you want to appreciate people, we normally get printed certificates, spending quite a lot of money. Here what you can do is you can simply get the template or you design your own template. All these you will be learning. All these things you will be learning. Now let us come to the clothing. Now here you can see the t-shirt styles, hoodie, tote bag and sweatshirt. Rather, I would also say that you'll be learning to design mock-up of materials with your own, designs. That also possible. Now, this is again a very, very important area where you can create your own invitation cards, whether it is a birthday invitation, whether it is a wedding day invitation, whether it is a housewarming ceremony. Everything can be created here as per your own style, colors. Many times we just say yes to designers who give us after so many repetition also, it did not come up to your own expectation. So normally what do? We finally say, let us agree for this. That is what. See, you can see the template here, wedding invitation, birthday, baby shower, graduation, announcement portrait, and portrait announcement, invitation, portrait, postcard landscape, whatever you want, you can go with that. And the best part here is to get a website design is the hardest task for anyone. You can get the website design in such a simple manner, you will not even imagine how this is possible. It is possible. You can add, delete, and whatever you want on your website, you can create it. See here, there are available website, business website, portfolio, event website, landing pages, education website, retail, bio link website, and service. All those things are having again a free templates, as many as possible. Now we'll go to the next one, custom size. Here the unit is always choose for px, it is pixel. Now normally 1080, that is 1080 height and width is meant for Instagram post and Facebook video, like animated social media, memes, Amazon product, all those things. And why I'm telling you this is, this you can actually modify according to your own. Now let us check this. Let me go for 1080 and 720. The canvas will change. Now if I click on create a design, it will come into a different size. So this area is meant to change the canvas size as per the requirement, whether it is a Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail. All of it requires a different size. So this will be perfect for you to create from here. You start from here, you define the custom size and then go and create your new design. Now let us come to this page, upload. What is upload? As I told you, it is nothing but from your computer, from your mobile. If you want some of the pictures to upload, you can go here and then click on it, and from your PC you can actually choose any image or even a folder. Here you can see the options here, upload files or upload folder. That is also possible. Now moving further, let me, like, they are saying again all the layouts and all those things are once again given the template. Let us close this area. This is what all the things Canva can do. Now we are going to check what is there in the left panel. On your left hand side, you can see here there are 3 lines over here. That is the open menu. Now here you have an option to create. Now if I click on it, now you can see what do you want to create. It is asking me. So that is from where we are going to start with our creation. That we will do it later. Now you have the home. This is the home button. This is the home area. Okay. Now projects. What are projects? Nothing but all your created designs are stored here. See here also you can see here all projects folders. Now in case if I have designed some folders are there, then it will be like, for example, you are working with some two companies and you want to create them and you don't want to mix them together. You can create a folder for one and then two with the specified name. What will happen is when you want to search it, you can easily go and check the folders and get it. Now here again all the designs will come under here, and next is all images which I have stored will come here. Then all the videos which I have created will come here. Now when you want to search, you can search with the help of this date modified. Maybe like before 30 days, before 20 days, you can like add on and search for it. This is for who has got quite a lot of things done and you don't want to mess it up. You can organize in a folder and easily access whenever there is a necessary. Now here the templates. Now I said like there are so many templates. Now in case if you want a social media template, click here and here you go. You are having all the templates are here. So if you want a story, if you want a post, accordingly you can choose it. Now about this education, I'll come at the end of this session. It's something different. Now video templates you wanted, again it is going to give you all the templates. All are video templates. And marketing templates, print products, this area is actually to help you to choose the template as per your need. Okay. Now the next one is brand. Now this brand area is like you can if you're working on a project and in that project you're going to use one particular logo, one particular font and one particular color codes only you're going to use it. You can make a folder here and store it. Now what happens here is you don't have to search for the same font, same size, same color codes. Like even maybe the template design, sometime some companies will ask us to use the same template. So like this is available only in the Pro version. After completing the left panel, I will be explaining about the free version and the Pro version also. Now, apps. Now, Canva has n number of apps inside. Whether want to create a text effect, whether want to create a pop effect, you want to make something into GIF, you want to use AI to create an image, want to create, like, everything is available. Everything is available. Only thing is we need to know how to use it, what to use it. That is the main thing you need to use. Now the last part, education. Now this icon, which is like a, like graduate's hat. Now I am a person who is using, let me go to home. I am a person who is using education version. As I told before, Canva has one version, free version, another one is paid version, another one is your education version. Now the free version, you can access to some 3 millions of photographs and designs and templates and everything. Now if yours is a paid version, then you can have 100 millions of like features, that is images, videos, templates and everything. If you are a normal starter, then you can go with your designs using a free version. And if you are a business person, or if you are into designing and you are going to make designing as your career, in that case you can always go for a pro version. I hope this will somewhere come around 4,000 rupees per year, and the benefit which you are going to get out of this is unmatchable, unimaginable. So I would suggest, if you are into designing career, then go for a pro version. Now the bonus part which I'm going to tell everyone, that even I would like to say it's a gift to the teachers, the education fraternity. Like, in case if you are a person who is working in a education sector, then you have an option to apply to the Canva, giving your ID proof and your email ID provided by the school. And then when you're going to get it, you need to apply first using your school email ID. For example, if your school is Star School, like might be sometime, they will give like your name, for example, Aruna at like starschool.com, the school name, like official email ID. If you use it, you need to wait for, they may ask for the name of the school, address, affiliation number, all those things, and they will ask you to upload the document of this, if you have an ID, then you can go with that. Now you need to wait for some 7 days or something. They will send a mail with a link saying now everything is free to you. Now I am basically into education sector, so I've got a free what do you call, education version of it, which I have plenty of options to use for my school. Now this is all about the dashboard and the panel and what Canva can do. Again, on this top panel you have Canva AI. Now when we click about it, it is actually going to ask you, describe your idea. I'll bring it to life. Now you can create anything. Let me just, but then like this has limited version for free version users. And let me write a kid looking up at sky with full of stars. Let me check how this comes up. Let me check. It may take a few seconds to create. See how wonderful this has come out. Anything, you can use it anywhere. You can copy it, you can delete this, you can copy and paste it somewhere. Now here I have not mentioned any style. You can mention here whether you want it smart, cinematic, creative, whatever way you want, you can change it. And also the size also, you can go for 16 is to 9, 9 is to 16, 1 is to 1, 4 is to 3, 3 is to 4. All those things you can use it here. Now here you can see here at the corner it is saying 499 coins. That means I have 499 credits. So you have few credits which you can use it freely and generate your own AI created image. This is all about the home page and the dashboard, and also about the left hand side panel. Now I think you must have got an idea what is completely about Canva. Now we are going to create something, the basic thing which I promised in the beginning, that I will be showing you some to create one design today. And those who are actually watching it and those who want to create it, you can actually work on this and you can create an image, and if you want you can share it in the comment also, which I will be happy, so that like people are learning from me and they are sharing it. So let us create a post. Like I'll go for a social media and I am choosing this Instagram post. Now this Instagram post, now I am going to use something, create something like this. This is the base. I am going to show it how easy it is to create this kind of code. Let me just go to my blank template. First and foremost, you can see here there is an option to duplicate the page. Now in case if I click that, I will get one more page, and if I want I can delete the page also. And you can see a plus sign here. That actually means adding page. You need to understand the difference between adding the page and duplicating a page. Duplicating is, for example, if I am going to use the color change, for example, let me go. Now if I am duplicating it, this color page will be duplicated. Okay, and if I am creating add a page, it will come again a new page. Now let me actually tell you how to change the color of the template. Okay, now we have the white color, correct? Now on top you can see here a colored background color option is available. Got it? Now I'm going to click this and I'm going to use a darker color. Now maybe this one. Now this I want to make it still darker. Now I can go and choose this plus icon to change the color. I can move the drag and drop it. I can move it here and there, and to check which color I can use this color. Done. So I think changing the color of the canvas is so simple. When you have the blank template, on top you have a circle button which says the background color. You can choose it. Now I am going to choose an image. Let me search an element like portrait man. Let me check what I am getting. I want a let me check. Let me use this image. Now I have taken this image. Now I need to remove the background because it is not matching. So you can see on the top panel you have an option for edit. you have an option for background remover. I'm going to just click it and I have removed the background. Now what can be done is I need to want this man to be in full size. So I am just dragging the corners and I'm making it to the full size. Now this person should not be completely visible. Okay, so I have this transparency option. I can go and I can reduce the transparency. Now that this has become a like a half shaded person. Now you can see here. Now in this portion I did not tell you about the elements. Now you can see here after design there is an option called elements. When you click on it, as I said here, you can search any element. Like for example, I need a house. I can type it and I can click on it. Now when you see the images, you can see some images are having the hat, the graduation hat is there. Okay. Now in some it is not there. Now what does it mean? Where it is not having anything, they are free to use images. Where it is having this education symbol, then it is a version for educators. Now for pro, it will be showing pro, P-R-O, means they will not be available for a free user. Understood? So they will be available only for a pro paid version Canva users. So that is a simple thing. And even after that, if you want to use it, what will happen is it will have some watermark over there. So this element area is the part where you're going to get all graphics, photos, frames and videos, audios, shapes, mockups. Everything will be available here only, in the elements only. So whatever you want, you need to, for example, if you need a circle, you can circle, it is coming there. When you click it, you will get a circle in the image. Now we don't want it, you can select and you can delete it. Now the next is you have we need to write the text, and in the left hand panel you have an option for text. When you click that text, see you have whether you want to use a brand kit. If it is available, you can use it, and if it is not, then you have an option for a heading, subheading and a smaller font which is for body. Now you have as many style of text available. Anything you can choose and add to your design. So like in case if I want to add this, I can add this. I want to add this, I can add this. Now how to change it? Double click it and then you can write here quote. Now this is so as such very easy for you all. Now you can, if you want it, you can use it. If you don't want it, you can delete it. I hope it is clear to you how to add a text. Simple. Go to this T icon and go for it. And then if you don't want a ready-made template part, you can actually delete it. Let me delete this. Yeah, in case if I don't want this, now I need to write add a heading. Now here it is. Now you are going to write here quote. Now you want to make the size bigger. You can see the top panel is having everything to be done with the font. You can increase the size. I'm just increasing it. You can see the size, or else you can just drag and increase the size of it. Got it? Now you have the option to rotate it. You can rotate it this way, or you can bring it down, drag it, bring it down, place it in the center, place it in the on the top. Now you have an option there to make it bold also, and bold also, italicized also, and then underlining is also possible. And then the placing is also possible. Like it is, like in case if it is having 2 to 3 sentences, you can, now let me type something else. Let me write something. I am a designer. Now I'm going to reduce the size to fit it to the frame. I've done it. Now I have 3 lines, Now I can just click on it to make it center and click on it to make it to the right hand side corner. This is up to you. Whatever you want to, you can do it according to that. And the background color also, you can, if you want, you can go for a gradient color. See, you can use a gradient where partly it is of some color, so the color changing is so simple and the text addition is so simple. Let we are going to create, as I said, quote in a different way, that I am going to do it accordingly. Let us delete this and let us delete this also. The color changing also I don't want. I'm deleting everything. Yeah. Now we have this man. Now we are going to add quote. Yes, we are going to enlarge the size, and then we are going to change the style of the font also. I need it in a different way, so I'm changing to Anton. That option is also available. Font, text style, everything is available. Now here it is. One is this, and now I think I need to go for 2 more. Now here I need to bring this quote behind the person. So what could be done is, you can check the position here and you can say backward. Now this quote has gone behind the person. One thing. Now I'm going to duplicate it. Yeah, I am going to add some effect here. Now I'm going to click effect part. I'm going to choose the hollow. Now here it is how this has come to hollow. Now I'm going to reduce the transparency. Again I'm going to duplicate it. And again I am going to reduce the transparency to, this is just to create an effect for the image. That is it. Now the quote I am going to write it. I'll use the subheading. The title, the quote is Stay Strong. Simple. Let us click on the letters. Let me once again do it properly. Yeah, I am going to write Stay Strong. Now here we need to add some, like it is very simple. I want to change the font style. I want to go for a stylish way of writing. So I'm going to choose it here. I'm searching for a, okay, I'll go for this. Now Stay Strong, that is available. I'm going to enlarge it big and I'm going to rotate it and I am going to place it in such a way it is going to look a little bit better. Yes. still I'm not happy with the uh, color of the background. I can go there and I can still yeah, I can still go and go for a darker version. Yes, it is. Now it is looking a bit better. This is how today we have seen uh, how to create a simple design. So this is how we can actually go for a creating a design. And in the forthcoming series, I am actually planning to have every Friday one live of 1 hour for this Canva series. So next Friday we will be learning more into the text effects of it and how designs can be popped up and how to create or edit an image. All those things we will be seeing it. And today's wrap up, let me wrap up. The first one which we have seen is how to log in into Canva, and then how to, like, what is there available for us in Canva, what all the things can be created. We did check about the dashboard, and also we did learn about the left hand panel, and also we tried to create one simple design using the background color, adding an element to the image, and also adding some text to the image and adding some effects on the image. This is That's all today from my desk, and I hope you learned something today. And in case if you found this useful, definitely I would like you all to comment as well as subscribe, and also reach me next time the same time for my live series. So that is all from my desk today. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy to share this knowledge with you all. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like and share and also subscribe for my channel.